Today I am very excited to show you something, and let's see it what it is.
This is the phone. It's so beautiful.
It is iPhone XS Max that I just got right now, and we are going to make an unboxing video.
It is the phone. It's so beautiful.
It's the new iPhone XS Max, and I'm very excited to show it to you. Okay, so let's start by unboxing it. It's so beautiful, and designed by Apple in California. This is fascinated me since a lot of time. It is a legacy of Steve Jobs. Let's open it. It's the new phone iPhone XS. Let's take out the cover from it. Oh, it's so smooth. iPhone XS. Okay, it is a pair of earpod with it, and there's also a charger. This is a adapter, and this is the charger with it. Okay, so this is the phone. Let's open it. Let's open it. A beautiful phone. And Apple. It's a awesome legacy of Steve Jobs that he made. And eat an apple. I'm feeling so hungry. Oh, the suspense is killing me. How awesome should it be using iPhone XS Max? Just see its design. I thought we should complete the fashion industry to make bigger pockets so we can accommodate these in our pocket. Who would carry such a big phone in the pocket? Would it accommodate in it? Telling hello. Okay, it's time to open it. English, of course, a universal language. And select a region. I'm from India. Looking for India. There it goes, India. Setting language. Just Tim Cook released it, and I don't think that there's something new in it. Quick start if you have iPhone or iPad running on iOS 11 or later. Bring it nearby, okay, and sign it. So I got my iPhone X. Okay, so I got this iPhone X, and I would for the iPhone. Okay, unlocked it, and let's continue with that. It's my father's iPhone. Waiting for the iPhone. Position the image in the frame of the iPhone. Just placing it in front of that. And there we go, it's now set up. Finish for new iPhone. Keep this iPhone the new, and the data is transfer. It's a data transferring process. Now it is asking me for the Face ID after setting it up. Continue. And okay, let's do it. Continue. And it's exercise of neck rotation. Move your head, follow the arrow. Okay. A nice neck rotation exercise I'm doing right here. Move your head. Okay, that's it. I did it. Off. You have to do it again. So let's move the head. Neck rotation. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Follow the arrow. That's it. I'm done with it. Second Face ID scan completed. You have set it up your Face ID. Continue. I'm choosing asking me for that. It may take a few minutes to set up Apple ID. So till that we can see their accessories. So it comes with a earpod connector. Let's open it. And this is the new iPhone. This is one earpod connector with it, so I can hear any type of music. Already with a connector connected to it. It's a USB cable with it. So beautiful, so we can charge it anytime. And in fact, one may not believe that Apple was the first company of the world to produce a product with already charged phone products. Just like before iPods, all the products were like they have to be charged after one unboxing. But Apple, and especially the iPod, was the first product when it was already charged and we have to do that. Now this is done and it's telling me hello. This set up with that and let's continue with it. Hey Siri. Set up. Hey Siri. And the last time, hey Siri, you are on the video. Hey Siri. That's it. Hey Siri, what's the weather today? It's very bad. Hey Siri, what's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me, high school coder. Hey Siri, it's me. That's it. Hey Siri is ready. Siri will recognize every time I will tell. Okay. Share with Apple, share with app developers, continue. Go. I'm very excited between it. Welcome to Swipe to get started. And it's so beautiful. It has already came always it's already came with some apps like GarageBand, iMovies, Pages, but in reality there's no need of that because nobody is going to make presentations in an iPhone or just make music in the phone. Whatever you do is with your computer. Now let's check out some of the new features. Another thing is AR measure. Let's go try it out in a measure, and now here everything is so messed up while recording the video. But let's start by measuring this iPhone box. So it's 9 centimeter width and 18 centimeter long, but I just think that it is 18 centimeter in height and 9 centimeter in width. But I just think that Apple bring this innovation so late because developers have already developed these all apps using ARKit, and for them there is a new kit called ARKit 2, which you can try it out in your new iPhone XS or maybe a new iPad Pro, because it comes with new utility with which you can do that. Now, talking about the looks, it's an awesome phone really. It comes in this white color and this one is silver, and it also comes in it looks awesome, and you can try the live. Just hold it for some time and the things inside that will start moving. Okay, here's some light. Let's try it in some darkness. Here, let's try it out. So quite darkness here. Let's try it out how those all stuff is moving. It's so awesome. So starting with it, I'm going to take one of my portrait and I'm going to edit it. It's one of the first feature I'm going to try. So smile. Not an awesome photo, but I would like it to keep on. Now there's one new feature called Bohec. I can edit one of the frequency of the how blur the background is. Now, okay, the first I start writing it to my mother, to my mom, and I'm going to first make a memoji. Okay, I feel it. Okay, so continue. But I just think that Apple copied all those other things like Snapchat's Bitmoji and that over that, but still it does. So let's get started with an Animoji. Let's try it out. Okay, so I start by making my Memoji. Let's get started. New Memoji. Okay, continue. It's me. I can't just believe that Apple thinks I'm like that. My skin color is quite darker. I'm going to choose this one. Hairstyle. I thought mine suits quite like this. And head shape, nose, lips. Those are, I would just leave it on an Apple. Done. And okay. And one more thing. Box. Apple have always cared about the satisfaction of the product. Just like see it. It's like a realistic shine surface on it. One can observe that. And I just bought it from a store called iMagic store. so awesome packet, and the charger and a small guide for it. But I thought iPhones are so easy to use that one may not need this guide, which we can stick it on that. So about the Indian regulators, iPhone user guide, and okay, the most important thing, how we can fit SIMs in it. So I can, moreover, iPhone XS and XS Max and XR come with dual SIM. And I thought Apple is very late in doing those things, while Android phones are doing so great. But whatever it does, let's see what's next. It's a small guide for that. It's a small guide for the iPhone X about how to use it. And okay, the phone is asking me to get unlocked. Here we go with Apple sticker on it. It looks so bad. Why would Apple offer these old stickers for phone? Just see it, how does this sticker looks on that. It's so, I would never just use it, just take it and throw it. It would just, all my friends would laugh if I would just take it to school with that whole odd sticker on it. Okay, so this was High School Quarter with the new iPhone XS Max, and bye and have a nice day. Start small, do big.